This is the Reading to Learn math page for section 11.3. It's on arcs and chords. We're going to do number 3. In number 3, we're using circle P. And they're telling you that the diameter is 40. And notice how there's a couple places where that diameter comes into play. I may end up erasing this in a second, but that blue segment is a diameter, so that's 20. This red segment is a diameter, so that's 20. Oh, I'm sorry, it's 40. So the radius would be 20. Diameter is 40 in each of those cases. A to C and F to D, those are chords. I'll use purple, and I'll make them both purple because they're both congruent. They're telling you that they're both 24. How would you find each measure? Well, they want you to find distance from P to A. Okay, well, if you have a diameter, that's the red segment, and it's crossing a chord at a right angle, that's that purple segment, the chord, then these two pieces are the same. And we said that that whole length, that purple guy was 24. That means each of these is 12. And we know that the diameter is 40, so the radius would be 20. So I'm going to put a 20 right here because A to P is a radius. Now, do you see the right triangle? 12 something and 20. Pretty sure that's a 3, 4, 5. If you multiply by 4, you're going to get 12, 16, 20. So G to P, that's G, that's P, has to be 16. They didn't even ask you to do that. Well, I just found G to P. I wanted P to A. Well, P to A is your radius. That's 20, so that's really easy. A to G, that would be 12. You can just see that right here. A to G is 12. H to E, that's that little tail at the end there. Okay, so we have the same kind of concept going on here. We have a 12, 16, 20 right triangle. If your radius is 20, and part of the radius right here, I'll make it red now. If part of it is 16, what's this other part? It's got to be 4. 16 and 4 gives you that same 20, which your radius would be. So H to E would be 4. And then F to G would be your radius plus that 16. So we're just going to do 20 plus 16 to get 36.